on, Bob?
Well, we have left beautiful Bermuda after a magnificent stay of about 10 weeks. It was an absolutely beautiful place. Nikki made some great friends, had a really super time. I had to go away and do a little bit of work, but then came back to the boat. We had a lovely time there, wonderful people. So we left there yesterday, 5:30 in the afternoon local time. It'll be about 8:30 Universal Time or Greenwich Mean Time. We come out headed northeast. We figure that if we head northeast, hopefully we'll get into some of the westerly weather, or some of the westerly winds that tend to curve across the Atlantic towards the Azores. Now, the danger of going directly for the Azores, and I explained this on a chart a little bit earlier to the camera, the danger of going directly for the Azores is that you encounter this huge high pressure system. It's called the Azores High, and you sail into that, there's absolutely no wind. Well, right at the moment we do have some wind, and we're bowling along at the magnificent speed of 2.6 knots on the boat's log, actually about 3.5 knots over the ground, so not too bad. Ran the engine for an hour. Mr. Bigglesworth, the projectile vomiting cat, has been. He's been doing exactly that. So he's the only one of the three of us that have succumbed so far, but it's nice weather. You know, it's far too hot. Hopefully it'll get a bit cooler soon. And we're looking forward to getting across to the Azores, as our American cousins call them, the Azores. Probably not with a pirate accent though. So it's great to be back on board. Passage is likely to take about 20 days. Planning speed on this boat is 100 miles a day. It's about 2,000 miles, so we reckon 20 days. Hopefully it'll be a little bit less than that, but we've stored the boat for 30 days. Plenty of water, plenty of food, plenty of snacks this time, very important. We've seen a bunch of flying fish, seen a few the beautiful Bermuda Longtail birds, absolutely gorgeous creatures, really like a seagull but with an exceptionally elegant long flowing tail. So here we are, back at sea, same old, same old.